People like to say that all feminists are angry, but I feel it has to do with like just stereotypes about women in general. Like women are angry, especially women of color, like Black women, they tend to call them crazy as well. So it's just that we have a right to be angry because we have been going through these things for years, and if we're passionate about it, I think we do have the right to speak up about it.
But also the anger part is because they were not listened to. They weren't taken seriously. So what else, what option did a woman have when it comes to that other than raise their voice? I'm glad that things are changing so much. Not so much for me because at my age, but for my granddaughters, so that they have a better future.